Hey guys, this is the brand new 2024 Ford Mustang Ecoboost. What you're working with here is a 19-inch alloy rim in the rear and in the front. You're looking at an 8.5 width on your tire. You're going to be running 255s on her. So very low pros on her. Come to the back here for a minute. We'll take a quick look at this duck bill that they have built in from factory. Overall, come to the rear end. Beautiful. Now let's go to the front. So, up front, you got the old style front end. Gotta love it. It's a heritage to these vehicles. You're working with a triple HID headlight both sides. Now you do have the option to get the fog lights from factory. This one does not have them. Personally, I really like how that ties everything together. So under the hood, you have a 2.3 liter EcoBoost turboed engine pushing 315 brake horsepower, which is plenty for this powerhouse of a unit. These things going to dust anything else on the road. So that wraps up the 2024 Ford Mustang. Hope you guys enjoyed the show.
Hey, get away from my car!
Shit!